Hello, I'm Cassandra Lee, and let's get into this video. So I am going to be showing you guys how I retwist my locks. It's super simple, and I'll be showing you the products that I use. I use a natural aloe vera leaf, and I just cut that up, open the gel, and blend it in my blender to get the gel and the juice. I also use aloe vera juice. It's just basically like a water consistency that I spray in my hair to keep the roots of my hair damp. So I will show you that product. I will say that if you do blend your natural aloe vera leaf in a blender, there will be chunks of the actual aloe vera gel still in that mixture. So that's what you guys are going to be seeing throughout this video. In my hair, you're going to be seeing little specks of aloe vera gel. And if that does bother you, then I'd recommend just using whatever gel that you like, but it doesn't really bother me, so that's why I do it. As always, I'll let you guys listen to some music and we'll get into it. This music is made by my brother, so if you're interested in knowing his handles, I will leave them in the description box below. When I begin to retwist the hair, I grab the new growth that is at the base of my root and I wrap it around the lock. So I'll just continue to take the loose hairs that are around the lock and continue to wrap them all the way around as far as I would like, just to make more of a neat look. So this is how my hair is looking after I take all the clips out. It's pretty nice and neat. I love the I love the aloe vera gel in my hair. It just makes it so soft and it soothes my scalp. And there are so many benefits to using aloe vera gel in your hair. So I really love that. You can see the specks of the gel that didn't get completely blended, which to me, it really doesn't bother me. If that does bother you, then, you can always use a gel of your choice or just blend it until you know it's completely fine. And you can also run that gel through a strainer so that way you know for a fact that none of the pulp is going to be getting into the gel that you are creating. So this is the finished results, you guys. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you so much for supporting this channel, and I love having you here together on our YouTube journey. I hope you enjoy yourselves, and I'll see you guys next time.